Kool-Aid here, trying to figure out what in God's name Reckless is doing.
Using my stick.
Would you care to explain to the people at home what you're doing there, sir?
I'm using my stick. It's the only good thing left in my fucking snowblower. My leg's fucked up. I'm fixing it. Doesn't get you see? Do something. Oh, you piece of mother. Do stuff. Oh, you're a dick. What the fuck the matter with you? See, I tried. I'll knock you into next week. Want some up? Whoa! No touchy touchy. Easy. Easy. Oh, you prick! You motherfucker, you.
Tell it, Dave.
I'm telling it. Do stuff. You have one job.
Delight.
Easy. Oh, shit. Okay, fuck that part. It's working. We'll fix that later. What? See? No, why is there no fucking volume on it, TV?
Because I turned it off so I could record you trying to fix the light.
Oh, good, because I was going to start hitting it with the stick, and that's brand new TV. It's like 3 weeks old.
I think you have issues.
I went to anger management. I'm good.
Look at the camera and say that.
I went to anger management. I'm okay. I thought the light fucked up. So it's brighter than the other side now.
And that, children, is how we fix stuff with Reckless.
And a stick.
And a stick.